Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are on our way to Crane Auto Works because we're gonna start working on my dual caliber bracket setup, and so we'll get the Brembos mounted, get the bracket all set up and everything, and the lines ran. We're also going to be installing my rear camber arm so that we can hopefully use more of the tire and not go through tires as fast. So that's all exciting. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to stay too long and help get everything done, or if he's just gonna take the car and handle it and take me back. All right, guys, we're rolling up now. Let's see if we see him. I'll park right here for now. Figure it out. All right, let's go look for Crane. Hey, Jesse. What you working on? Some Civic things? Oh, I thought you were working on some Civic stuff.
I am, but I'm doing something else now. I'm doing something to the 240.
To your 240?
Huh?
To yours or that red one?
No, to another customer. Drop off the car.
Ooh. Oh.
This place is bad.
Yeah, I see.
That's where I know these controls.
How you been, dude?
In the shop.
It could use one.
Huh?
It could use one. Spring, it is spring.
Yeah, it does, yeah. Well, it was clean a couple weeks ago, but I haven't.
This that big baller Civic?
Huh?
This that baller Civic?
Dollar Civic?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it a B16 or 18?
B16.
Fun stuff.
It's not bad.
And now we unbox some stuff. I haven't even opened this one. Oh, just brake pads.
Brake pads.
Cool.
More lines.
Oh, stainless brake lines, because that was something we knew we needed to get. Front and rear.
This is front and rear.
Yeah, we're just gonna do the rears.
All right.
One Brembo caliber is the second one. We're gonna find out if they're good.
Boom, boom, boom. Brake pads. Caliper kit.
So I think, like I said, that I should have everything that we need for the dual caliber setup and to run the lines. Speaking of gas, you might want to get some gas in this thing.
Yeah, I know.
Trying to get old race cars started. It's always a process.
Cut it wide.
No, I was taking all day because I was setting up this GoPro on my phone.
Yeah, we need to turn the lights.
I needed to start it. All right, guys, we're about to put the car on the lift and then take the wheel off, and then from there we will start disassembling everything and see what we got, see what we're working with. All right, just 1 second. Oh yeah, lights would help a little bit. You tend to get creative.
Very true.
All right, guys, well, I'm back. It's day 2. I ended up just leaving the car, but Crane did get my dual caliber bracket all on. But sadly, Gktech forgot to include the spacers / washers that go on the OEM calipers to accommodate the 8mm difference in the bracket. So for now, it's just a stack of washers, so we're gonna have to go back and change that, but here we go. Also, on a side note, we got, I don't know if you guys probably can't see in there, but we got my rear camber arms on. But right now, since I don't have tow arms, we can't zero it out completely because then I would have a ridiculous amount of tow in. As you can see now, I still have quite a bit of tow in. Camber is out a little bit, probably like -2, but we'll put it on the alignment rack soon. But either way, about to go on a test rip just to go test the car out, see what it feels like, and yeah, stoked on this.